Do you find yourself sneezing more often at work now that autumn has arrived? You're not the only one. The change in season brings cooler weather, and with it, dust, mold, and other hidden allergens that can make your office a challenging place to be. But here's the good news. With a few smart cleaning strategies, you can transform your workspace into a fresh, allergy-free zone. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FastKlean, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our professional cleaning tips. Let's start by identifying the main culprits. Dust mites thrive in carpets, upholstery, and curtains. Pollen easily enters through open windows or clothing, and mold spores love damp areas such as kitchens and bathrooms. Knowing what you're up against is the first step to keeping allergies under control. Now, how can you fight back? Begin with regular dust removal. Clean all surfaces, light fixtures, and air vents using a microfiber cloth. Schedule deep cleaning for carpets and upholstery to eliminate hidden allergens. And don't forget to check and clean your ventilation systems, ensuring proper airflow throughout the office. As the weather cools, humidity levels change, creating perfect conditions for mold. Inspect windowsills, kitchens, and bathrooms for dampness, and use mold-resistant cleaning products. Keeping these areas dry and well-ventilated will make a huge difference. Don't overlook the floors and windows. Autumn rain means more mud being tracked in, so place mats at entrances and clean windows to remove lingering pollen. Finally, take time to declutter. An organized office collects less dust and feels lighter and more inviting. By following these steps, your workspace will stay cleaner, healthier, and more productive this season. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to FastKlean for more professional cleaning advice every week. Let's make this autumn allergy-free, one clean office at a time.